Have you ever noticed how repeating a phrase at the end of a sentence can leave a lasting impression? That's called antistrophe. It's a technique that can elevate your speech. Here's how a famous example from Winston Churchill. We shall fight them on the beaches. We shall fight them on the landing grounds. We shall fight them in the fields and the streets. We shall fight them in the hills. And we shall never, never, ever surrender. Finally, antistrophe creates emphasis by repeating a phrase or word at the end of successive clauses. This repetition highlights your main idea and reinforces the message. Secondly, it adds rhythm to your speech, just like with music. The repetition of sounds at the end of the sentence make your speech feel more cohesive and memorable. And finally, antistrophe helps build momentum as you repeat a powerful phrase and draw your audience in, making them more connected to your speech. Practice using antistrophe by picking a powerful phrase and repeating it at the end of several sentences, such as, we shall rise, we will fight, we will win. Antistrophe is like a compelling way to emphasize your message. Use it to create rhythm, reinforce ideas, and leave strong, lasting impressions on your audience.